So I thought that Coolpad had stopped making devices months ago, but Coolpad has been making smartphones only for the Chinese market. They've been releasing phones for the Chinese market only. And now the brand has released yet another device called the Coolpad FengShang 80 Pro. The device is actually a budget phone, so do not expect any top tier specs from this phone. Now, in terms of specs, the device is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chip paired with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. It comes in 3 color options, including purple, white, and black. On the front, the phone uses a 6.7-inch IPS LCD panel with an HD Plus resolution. The refresh rate is 90 Hz, which is nice. And the camera department, the device features a 13MP main rear camera, and the front-facing camera is expected to be 8MP. The phone also packs a 5000 mAh battery. There is no mention if it supports fast charging or not, but it's expected to support at least 18 watts fast charging. The phone also has Coolpad's custom skin on top, which is called the Frame OS. I'm not sure if this device actually has Google mobile services because, as I mentioned earlier, the device is only available in China. So as regarding price, the phone is expected to cost $115, which is actually quite nice. As I said earlier, it's a budget phone, so if you're looking for a cheap Chinese budget device, you may want to check this device out. It's currently listed on JD.com and is expected to be available in other online Chinese stores. So that's it for the update. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.